In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write an article on LinkedIn. If you want to share your expertise, tell a professional story, or publish longer form content directly on LinkedIn, the built-in article feature is a great place to do it. It gives you more space than a regular post, which makes it useful for thought leadership, tutorials, industry insights, or personal career reflections. The good news is that getting started is very simple. To begin, go to your LinkedIn feed. This is the main homepage you see after logging into your account, where your network updates and posts appear. Starting from the feed makes the process easy because it's where LinkedIn gives you quick access to content creation tools. Once you're on the feed, look for the option that says Write Article and click on it. This opens LinkedIn's article editor, which is the workspace where you can create a full article rather than a short update. If you've only used LinkedIn for posting brief status updates before, this is the tool you'll want when you need more room to explain an idea clearly and professionally. After the editor opens, you can start writing your article. Begin by adding a clear headline that tells readers what your article is about. A strong title helps people immediately understand the topic and encourages them to keep reading. Then move into the body of the article and start drafting your content in a way that feels organized and easy to follow. As you write, focus on being clear, professional, and helpful. LinkedIn articles usually perform best when they provide useful information, practical insights, or meaningful perspective. Keep your language simple and direct so your audience can follow along without effort. If you're explaining a process, make each part easy to understand. If you're sharing an opinion or lesson, support it with enough detail to make it valuable. It also helps to think about readability. Short paragraphs tend to work well because they make the article feel less overwhelming on screen. Try to keep the flow natural, as if you're speaking directly to a professional audience that wants useful and relevant information. Before publishing, take a moment to review what you've written for clarity, tune, and accuracy. Make sure your headline matches the content and that your article delivers on the promise of the title. And that's it. Go to your LinkedIn feed, click Write Article, and start writing. With just those few steps, you can turn your ideas into a polished LinkedIn article and share your knowledge with your network in a more detailed and professional format.